Papalampasin ko ba yun? May natawag kasi sa akin, uy, tinatawag ka daw, yung pala may pagkain lang. Okay, so sige. Kindly confirm if you already see my shared screen.
Ito na po, sir.
Okay, sige nga. Alam ko medyo complicated yung ating mga naging formula kanina. But let us try to solve different problems para mas maintindihan natin. I'm sorry for this one. That this S, aside example, hindi binigay yung, nakalimutan ko lang sabihin kanina, hindi binigay yung S dito. Ito, hindi binigay yung S. And to say, ito is the length. Kumbaga ay stroke. Stroke ito. Yung S is the stroke or the length of the from the bottom dead center to the top dead center. So pag hindi pag ano ba binigay yung crop offset, ito yung formula. Pero kadalasan yung stroke is ibinibigay sa yung length or yung stroke is ibinibigay sa problem. Okay? Siya ay capital S. Okay, yun lang naman. So para lang makapag-solve tayo dito. So sige nga, pabasa ko ng problem and then let us try to solve this one. Sige. Pangalan na rin, ibang inis na. Please read. Evangelista, can you hear me? Kindly read the problem.
Yes po, sir.
Yeah.
Dinig po ba ako, sir?
Yes po.
A diesel tractor has a 3-cylinder, 4-stroke cycle engine. The cylinder bore is 89 mm, stroke is 127 mm, compression ratio is 16.5 by 1, and engine speed is 2000 RPM. Calculate the A piston displacement, B engine displacement, C piston speed, D stroke to bore ratio, E clearance volume, F total cylinder volume, and G total number of power stroke per minute.
Okay, the first thing that we need to do is to get the piston displacement. No? How to get the piston displacement kaya? So kanina hindi ko binanggit sa inyo how to get the piston displacement. But if you really understand yung mga binanggit ko sa inyo kanina, you can easily determine how to compute the piston displacement. Paano kaya natin makakompute yung piston displacement? Drawing ako. Diba? Cylinder. Though hindi ko binanggit na kanina sa may piston. How could you get the piston displacement of this one? Diba ang piston nagmo-move dito? No? Tama ga ako? Engineers.
Po, sir. Yes po.
O based dun sa aking explanation, how could we get the piston displacement? Piston displacement in terms of VD, syempre naman. Ano na, VD? Is in terms of volume. Sabi dito is in cubic centimeter. Volume yan. Oh, di ba pag nag-move yung piston from the bottom dead center to the top dead center, we can evaluate kung ano yung magiging volume niyan. How can we get the volume for this one? How could we get? This is a 3-cylinder. Sabi dito natin kanina, for 1 cylinder. For 3-cylinder kaya. How could we get? Anyone? Engineers? Anyone who could get? May nakakausap ba?
Sir, yun pong pi over 2p squared times s tsaka po times n since 3 cylinders po.
Papatak yan sa engine displacement. Kasi the number of cylinders. O take note, no, kapag ang ginagamit lang natin in order to get the piston displacement, o sige sabihin natin VP, i-consider natin yan as VP. Since piston displacement, we have to consider lang that area times the length. Naiintindihan? Area ng piston times yung length ng tina-travel ng piston. Hindi ng ano ha, hindi ng connecting rod. Maliwanag po, area ng piston times yung stroke or yung length. So how could we get this one? So ano ba ang formula ng area ng piston? Since ito ay sabihin natin circle, i-assume natin that this one is a circle. Wait lang, kunin ko ng calculator. Parang, wait, I'll just have to confirm. Okay. Hello, rinig ba ako?
Yes po.
Yes po, sir.
Okay. Kindly, sorry for this one. Kindly change this one as 5 over 4 b squared times s, since from one cylinder nga naman, area lang ng cylinder times the distance that is being traveled, or 5b squared over 4. Again, kindly, this one is 5 over 4 also. Din yun, mga puro 5 over 4 yan. 5 over 4 b squared Sn. So, again, kindly change your formula for the piston displacement or the VD. So, tama kayo na those one is VD. So, for VD natin is 5 over 4, that is b squared times yung ating S or N. Okay? Or the stroke. Sige, you have 5 over 4. Ano yung bore natin dito?
89 mm po.
89 millimeters po.
89. So, yung 89, paano natin i-convert into centimeter?
Diba 10 mm po?
Divide 10, di ba? So, pag divide natin sa 10, ay magiging 8.9. Tama ba ako? 8.9. Hindi, naka-millimeter na naman. Sige, isabihin natin in mm na lang. So, 89 over squared times 127 millimeter. So, ano ang magiging VD natin? Volume displacement. Pa-compute. What is our volume displacement for this one?
790,000.
790,084.63 6,442.
O, sabi dito in terms of cubic centimeter daw. Ilang kaya lahat yan?
790.084 is
Okay. Sabihin natin ganito ano. Pero take note, dapat kompleto. Our VD is 790. Wait lang ha. Magdagdag lang ako ng shared screen. $790.084. So, ganun lang ang pagkuha ng ating volume displacement. Allow me again to share my screen. The next one. The next one, okay na tayo sa piston displacement or VD sa engine displacement. So, ang consideration ng engine displacement natin is, yun nga, yung VE, di ba sabi ko sa inyo kanina, yung VE is the number of cylinders times the volume displacement. Maliwanag? Yung ating VE, yung ating engine capacity. Tama? Guys, so yun lang. VE is equals to, ilan yung number of cylinders natin dito?
Tatlo po.
Tatlo. So 3, all we need to do is to 3 times yung ating volume displacement na 790.084 cubic centimeter. So pabuo ako, what is our VE?
2,370.25
25.
cubic centimeter.
25 cubic centimeter. So that means this would be our engine displacement. Ganun lang kasimple. For the piston speed, how could we get the piston speed? Piston speed is, di ba, ang ating piston speed dito kanina, piston speed is 2SN. Tama? So, tatandaan na pag piston speed, may nakalagay dito sa taas. Piston speed is equal to 2SN. So, yun lang naman. 2 times, ano ang ating, tag dito? Ano ang ating length or stroke?
127.
127 mm po.
127 mm. Sabi dito in terms of meter per minute. So, kailangan natin i-convert. So, 127 mm. Ako hindi na sana yung magsulat ng 1 meter is equals to 1,000 mm. Kasi consider natin that is meter per minute. Ngayon, ano kayang gagawin natin dito sa 2? Radian per minute. Diba ito ay naka-revolution per minute? So, stick tayo, no? So, since naka-revolution yan, 2,000 revolution per minute. So, stick tayo dyan since the number of strokes per, may sinabi ba ditong the number of strokes per revolution? The number of strokes for revolutions. Bakit, since itong 2 is the number of stroke per revolution, diba 2SN is, those are, kumbaga itong 2, kaya nagkaroon dito ng 2 is the 2 stroke per revolution. Kaya, consider natin that this 2 has a revolution na din per stroke. So, itong revolution, makakancel din naman yan. So, yung UP natin would be, anong magiging sagot dito?
500 meter.
508 po.
Again.
508
508
meter per minute.
meter per minute. So, as is na yan, yung 2,000 revolution is in terms dapat of RPM para maging meter per minute siya. Again ha, always lagi ng ating N or speed is in terms of RPM. Okay na tayo for the piston speed. Stroke to bore ratio. How could we get the bore to stroke ratio?
Kasi wala pang baso. Ba't kasi hindi ka nagdala ng sapatos? Ay, kung paano kung may pasok ka nung nung Tuesday?
Inutan ko nga. Pag nandun pa si Ted, nagpapaad. Papadala ko sa patos.
Oh, how could we get the Sorry, hindi pala ako nakamute. Bakit daw hindi ka nagdadala ng sapatos? Huwag mo namang galitin, magdala ka naman ng sapatos. Okay, sige. How could we get determined for the stroke to bore ratio? Ano kayang gagawin natin? Engineers.
Stroke over cylinder bore.
Bore to stroke. Tika, ang simple, no? B all over to stroke. Ganun lang kasimple. So, wag niyong masyadong gawing complicated na. So, 127 mm to tama ba? Ano bore? Baliktad. Tama. Bore to stroke. Stroke to bore. Or, ano kang tanong? stroke to bore. So baliktad pala ako. Stroke to bore is S all over B. So stroke natin is 127 mm over 89 mm. So ganun lang. SB is equal to, anong sagot dito? Approximately equal to what?
1.42. 43 po.
1.43?
Yes po.
Opo.
1.43. So ganun lang kasimple on how to determine the bore stroke in the clearance volume. BC. How could we get the BC for the clearance volume? Anyone? Paano kaya natin makukapit yung clearance volume? Balik tayo sa mga formulas. Since di pa nga sa ulo. How could we determine the clearance volume? Diba? Pwede natin makompute yung clearance volume using RK is equals to VC plus VD over VC. Tama ga? Since meron tayong compression ratio or RK na 16.5. Tama? Goods? Hey engineers. Diba may RK tayo? Diba ang compression ratio is RK? Tama ga?
Yes po, sir. Yes po.
Yes po.
So VC can be determined using the formula of RK as is VC plus VC plus VD over, again, VC plus VD all over VC. So substitute lang. 16.5 is equals to VC. Anong ating volume displacement nga kaninang na-compute? 790.
790.84.
084 all over BC. Sige. What is our BC? Madali lang tong or to stroke. Ay, itong ganitong set of parameters. What is our answer?
$50.97 po.
Sige, okay lang. Paupoy mo lang. Hindi, wala. Parang wala na siya. Pero hindi na siya umuwi. Ay, hindi na siya nag... Hindi naman to kanya. Hindi naman to kanya. Kasi meron na doon pet egg. Dito mo na lang po. Meron na. Tatla ito. Ayun. Okay. Hello. Anong sagot niyo?
50.97.
50.97 cubic centimeter.
Wait lang ha. Ito kayo nawala. Again, yan. 50.97. Anong unit? Cubic centimeter yung ating BC. Ngayon, the total cylinder volume. Paano natin kaya makakompute yung total cylinder volume? Sige nga, based dun sa pagkakaintindi nyo sa ating discussion, dun sa cylinder, how could we get the total cylinder volume? Engineers.
Ipag-add po yung piston displacement po at saka clearance volume.
Yan, very good. So, ang total volume of the cylinder can be determined as VD plus VC. Goods tayo? O, di kung halimbawa, 1 cylinder, ito pa din yung formula natin. 2 cylinder, 3 cylinder, yun pa din yung formula natin. So, total volume of the cylinder is VD plus VC. Since, di ba, we considered first in determining the piston displacement as 1 cylinder. So dito, Yan, one cylinder pa din naman. So, 500, 700, lagi pa lang 100, lagi pa lang one cylinder. Since ang dinedetermine naman dito is the total cylinder volume. So, 700, maliwanag tayo doon. Laging one cylinder ha, 0.08 plus 50.97 cubic per centimeter. Sige, what is our total volume?
841.
841.05 cubic centimeter. And lastly, the total of power per stroke. Paano kaya natin mako-compute yung total of powers per stroke? Ito hindi ko pala ito na-discuss. So how could we determine the total number of power stroke per minute? Sa tingin lang ninyo, how could we determine? Anyone? Based on our discussion kanina, how could we determine the total number of power stroke? Power stroke ha? Total number of power stroke per minute.
Sir, ano po, stay ay dahil po ito po sa 4-stroke cycle, meron pong isa pong power stroke din, isa pong dalawa pong revolution, dahil po 4-stroke siya.
Again. Can you please louder your voice?
Dahil po dun po sa, nakalagay po sa problem na 4-stroke cycle, if po, meron po siyang isang power stroke, then meron po siyang dalawa pong revolution.
Ayun, very good. So, in order to get the total number of power stroke is, tatandaan ha, ang power stroke in terms of total number of power stroke per minute, ang stroke per minute can be determined, stroke nakadepende yan sana sa magiging formula is yung ating speed, times lang natin kung ilang power stroke doon sa binigay na kung ilan yung power stroke, the number of power stroke, i-divide lang natin kung ilang revolution times kung ilang number of cylinder. So dito, 'di ba, meron tayong 2000 RPM. Meron tayong 2000 RPM. Ilan yung number of stroke? Ilan yung number of power stroke dito sa 4-stroke?
4 po. Ay,
Isa lang. Bakit isa lang? 'Di ba? Suction, compression, power, exhaust. Di ka ito ay nangyayari sa isang 4 revolution. So ilan yung nagaganap na power stroke? Di ba isa lang? Maliwanag.
Yes.
Sa 4 strokes cycle, ilang power stroke ang ginagawa? Di ba isa lang? Maliwanag tayo doon. Tapos ilang revolution yung 4 stroke? Ilang revolution?
Dalawa po.
Number
Dalawa.
of revolution is 2. No? And then, the number of cylinder pala to. Number of cylinder is 3. So, dyan natin madadetermine kung ilan yung total number of power stroke per minute. Pag ang tinanong is, what is the power stroke per minute? So, tatanggalin lang itong number of cylinder. Maliwanag. So, kapag total number of power stroke, i-consider natin yung number of cylinder. Maliwanag po. Hey guys.
Yes po, sir.
Yes po. Pa-take note ako ng mga formulas ha. So, stroke per minute or the total number of stroke per minute is the speed times the number of power stroke divided by the number of revolution based on the conditions of the problem. So, sige nga, what is our power stroke per minute?
1,000 power stroke.
3,000 po.
3,000 power stroke per minute. So, ito, ang gagawin natin, ito ang magiging sagot for the power stroke per minute of 3,000. Okay? Sige. Do you have questions regarding to this problem? Next time, i-relate natin itong mga other, itong mga next step, itong mga tag dito. Ito, i-relate natin siguro next time, no? Wag muna kasi baka kayo ay malito. Yan lang munang mga, ito, yan, yung mga ganan. Saka natin yung i-relate with the other problem. Siguro basic muna tayo. Do you have questions regarding sa ating problem number 1?
Wala naman po, sir.
Question,
Wala pa po sa ngayon, sir.
naiintindihan, application, principles, and yung mga formulas na gagamitin, kahit hindi nyo tanda yung formula, madali yung ma-determine kapag alam natin yung mga gagamitin natin. Yun yung magagamitin natin na application. Dapat alam natin yung application kahit hindi natin alam yung mga formula. Through the help of the application, you can determine the formula na maaaring itanong sa inyo. Ano nga? Do you have questions? Clarifications? May question ba kayo?
Wala naman po, sir.
Yung iba, may question?
And so
Wala
far,
po, sir.
Naiintindihan? Sige nga, wait lang. Try ko lang sa mga notes kung meron pa akong pwede. Problem. Wait lang. Wait lang hanap na ako ng problem sa aking reference. Dito. May nakashare ba akong Siri? Wait lang. Try ko lang maghanap. Bakit wala akong problem na nakasave? Ba't niya wala? Ano? Nasaan yung mga problem ko? Ay sige, hanggang 11:30 lang naman tayo, wag na. So, next meeting, next meeting tayo ay face to face, no? So siguro, magbibigay ako, ay naku, kailangan ko palang ma-discuss. Sige, bala na next meeting. Next meeting, we will do have a quiz for conversions. Nagbigay ba ako sa inyo ng copy of the conversion sa group chat?
Meron na
ako,
Yes
Sir
po.
Jan. So, take note We will do have another set of quiz in terms of conversion. Hopefully, you memorized all the conversions that is written on the PDF. And maybe we will do another isama na natin sa conversions yung mga application na diniscuss ko for today all about the introductions to combustion hanggang yan dito sa parameters. Napakadali pa naman ng ating computation sa una. Okay? Do you have questions so far before we end this meeting?
Wala naman po, sir.
Okay.
Wala naman.
And please study the auto cycle since we will start dun sa auto cycle. I hope naman every one of you meron ng idea in terms of auto cycle since ang sabi daw nila sa akin na-discuss na daw yung term 1. Tama ba ako? Goods? So ang gagawin ko na lang as your professor, mas papalawakan ko yung explanation in terms of auto cycle. I-relate ko based on the industry para mas maintindihan nyo kung ano ba yung application ng ating diesel cycle. Auto cycle and also diesel cycle. Pagsamahin natin yung dalawa. Okay? Auto cycle, diesel cycle, i-discuss natin next meeting. Tama ba ako? Face-to-face tayo next meeting.
Yes, po.
Okay.
Opo.
Ang Precious, so ang magiging conflict lang talaga natin is to seek. Kasi tinino ko yung schedule ko ngayon. Baka magkaroon ng room dun sa kabila. So, hopefully, makahanap tayo ng room. Ha? Pausap ako ha, paano ako ng room kasi ang schedule lang talaga natin, to be honest, ang schedule natin, ala, 3110, 3110, 3110, 311. To be honest, on Wednesday, lagi tayong online. So, mahihirapan talaga tayong maghanap ng